Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com. I made a video yesterday about pound franc 20-minute chart. This is the chart that I showed in that video. This is the setup as well as my entry. I'm showing my entry here, short entry from this Magic IB system setup, right? And I says, well, these are the two possibilities. 90% possibility is to the downside. That's why I opened the trade, and it is the current setup. If the setup goes wrong, and if this area here, 23% holds and it start to go up, it will go to 78%, and then I'll switch my trade because I'm sitting on like only 3 pip risk right now. And then if it goes the other way, I will lose 3 pips, and then I'll go long and maybe catch up 30, 40 pips to the upside. But the idea was that this thing will probably go down just like this. I posted my diagram. This is a butterfly pattern. This is a bullish butterfly. Once it's there, it's supposed to bounce. Now you notice that there are two levels, 127 and 161. 127 slash 161%. So this D could be the first butterfly, the small one, will end at 127 right here. And if the pressure is too much, then it will go to 161% below here somewhere, right? And 161% of the fib to make a bigger butterfly pattern. And then it will make the turn. So this is how it works. So what happened to this chart since I think I just like 6 8 hours now. This is what happened. So it start to come down here, nice and clean. So I removed the yellow count, the upside, because it's invalid now. You go below this area, and that's it. That's gone. And now, nice and clean, we came and we touched, and we went even below 127. So when that happened, then I start to think that okay, this probably gonna go all the way to maybe 161%. So hold on to it, and here we go. So we went down all the way to 161% for the total of 150 plus, probably 154, 55 pips, something like that. This is how it is. This is how the system works, and this is what I teach in my webinars and to my subscribers how to do it. So this is how easy it is. And I told in my last webinar that this is what I'm gonna do. I have a nice setup in pound franc. I think it's gonna drop, and if it is gonna start dropping, this is what I'm gonna do. And I did it. All right. So even in the last video yesterday I made a few hours ago, and you can watch that. That's what I said. And we were here, right? My entry was here, and we were here, and now, boom, 150 pip. So this is how it is. And let me give you another very very big and beautiful setup right now, which can produce a lot of pippage, not hundreds, thousands of pippage. So take a look at that. Let me switch the screen and I'll show you what it is. This is it. Pound USD weekly chart. You can see this monthly TL coming all the way from the top. We just hit the TL. I made this chart last week, and the last week candle, you can see that it is also a doji. But this week we went up a little bit more, poke into the TL. The last week we didn't touch the TL, but this week just now, a little while ago, we touched the TL, and now backing off. So pound now is getting weaker. Now the other currency here is USD, which is on the right hand side. So we need USD strength, which we don't have it right now. We have what we have is weakness, big time, right? But the way I do it, I see the logic and I change the direction. Even though USD is very weak, but my chart is saying that USD may be doing just this from now. Okay, it's gonna make a turn. This is a nice level, 93.32. It touched here, and this is a nice area wave count, which is kind of finishing, and you can see a bullish candle. I'm not saying this is definite, but the way my pound USD chart is set up, the weekly chart, this is required that USD gets strong and pound gets weaker. The pound is getting weaker, but we also need a hand from this USD. And I think this is the perfect Elliott wave counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we go A, then B, and then C to around 61% of this whole drop. So the first thing first, we have to achieve wave A, which will come in 5 waves, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. And unlike this one, this is 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. This one, hopefully, it could be 3, but most likely 5. Okay, so we will watch it. I will watch it here, and then it start to go up. You will see that the pound USD start to come down. It already did, right, because of the pound weakness. So if you have this my system, use it to make a nice entry, just like I said that I'm gonna take it for pound franc, and later on I did it, right? Where the heck it go? Pound franc. That was okay. This. Let me see. Okay, was this one? No. All right, I kind of lost that one. The chart. This one? No. Not this one. Where did that chart go? It was here. Let me see if I can find it, because I'm using this. All right, I think this is the one. The Zoom to make these videos, so I'm learning. All right, so this is what happened here. So pound franc, I was here, made an entry. I said on Friday, I said that Sunday, the webinar, that's a nice setup. It's gonna go down, but I waited. It came down. It started to go short here, bearish. It became bearish here, and after that, you can see 150 pip with the plan. This is how you plan your trade and then trade your plan. This is what I'm going to do with other pairs. Now I just showed you that pound USD weekly chart. I will show you my shorts in pound USD later on, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next week, whenever. But it's just starting, and it has to go a long way to the downside. Trust me. The TL is probably going to hold, right? I'm not saying that's 100%, but that is more likely. And obviously, if it is going to go down, then I will not see long setups. I will only see short setup. And that would be like confirmation that, yes, we are going down, and I'm going to take those setups, just like I did here. Simple as that. All right. So this is it. And I also I posted on, let me show you screen. This is, I don't like here on this. But I guess I have to do it, right? Yeah. All right, so maybe hopefully you're seeing it. So this is you see that I not only posted the chart, the video that I made yesterday on my Telegram, and then the first 127 level, and then hitting the 161%, and that's how I post. I even post a lot of heads up here before the trade, and then after the trade as well. Keep in touch with my subscribers and helping them out. So this is how it is, right? So I'm gonna make this video public as well, for everyone to see. And if you wish to join and get this system and learn how to use it, then you can go on my website, subscribe, and start get going with these trades. Beautiful trade, huh? All right, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.